Do we record cloud computing arrangement as an asset or as an expense? What do you think? To decide this, we need to follow a simple decision tree. This will help us understand the correct accounting treatment step by step. The question that you need to ask is, does the arrangement contain a lease? The following three questions you need to ask. First, does customer control an identified asset? Can direct how and for what purpose the asset is used? Obtains substantially all economic benefits? If the answer is yes, we need to treat this as a lease as per IFRS 16. So you need to recognize right of use asset, recognize lease liability, provide depreciation on the right of use asset over lease term. If the answer is no, then you need to ask further questions. What are those? Does customer control the software? Does customer have contractual right to take possession of the software without significant penalty? And can the customer run the software on its own hardware through another hosting provider? So if the question is yes, we need to treat this as IAS 38 intangible asset. So if it is an intangible asset, what we need to do is we need to capitalize the cost. The software license cost, development cost, and coding and customization cost, and the testing costs can be capitalized. If the answer is no, so what is the treatment? Then we need to treat this as a service contract. Most SaaS arrangements end here. The treatment is subscription fees, expense over the period, implementation cost. We need to expense or we need to treat this as a prepaid expenses. Training cost, expense immediately. The configuration, customization also should be expensed. So what is a key takeaway from this? Most SaaS arrangements are service contracts because the customer only receives access to software. They don't control a software asset. Therefore, costs are expense, not capitalized.